In this video, I'll show you how you can appear offline on your Steam account even while you're playing the game. Now, first of all, we need to open up our Steam. And from in here, you're going to select the friends and chat down in the bottom right corner. Now, once you're in here, you can see it says online right here. What you're going to do is click on the little drop down menu right here, and you will be able to have different options. Now the first one is away. It will basically show people that you're away right now. So if they text you, you might not respond. Now the second one is invisible, which means people will see that you're offline, but you can still text people in here. Now the last one is offline, which will basically sign you completely out. So if someone texts you, you will not get their message. Now those are the options that you can use if you want to appear offline on Steam. So I really hope this helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.